Come down with us here at Medellin Travels. We'll take care of you. We're going through a cave here amidst some tree roots, as you can see here. Made a little opening there. And we're going to get down here. We're doing this live, so it's pretty slippery. But we got you covered. Safety's our first concern for you guys. You know, we're expert guides here, so you're in good hands. You know, I want to take care of you. I'm taking care of my two girls here. Look at this, though. Are we in paradise or what? We're right under the waterfall. 220-foot waterfall. Ooh, easy does it. Look at this. Look at all that water coming down. Is this beautiful or what? Oh, Lord. Check that out. Gotta be careful here. So I'm filming and walking. And here's my girls. So how is it?
Unbelievable.
You guys like it? You having fun?
It's the best.
You recommend it?
I love it.
Alright. Look at this.
Oh, that's beautiful. Can we record that? I gotta get my camera from here. I think it's recorded.